stock market and how it works. Hey there and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most popular topics in the world of finance, the stock market. For many people, investing in the stock market can seem complicated and overwhelming, but in reality, it's quite simple. In this video, I'll explain how the stock market works and how you can get started as an investor. What is the stock market? First, let's define what the stock market is. The stock market is a platform where publicly traded companies issue and trade their shares. When a company goes public, it sells its shares to the public in exchange for capital. These shares are then traded on the stock market. Companies use the money they raise from selling their shares to fund business operations, invest in research and development, and pay out dividends to shareholders. How does the stock market work? The stock market is a marketplace where buyers and sellers come together to trade stocks. These buyers and sellers can be individual investors, hedge funds, pension funds, or even other companies. The stock market is open during specific hours of the day, and when it's open, buyers and sellers can place orders to buy or sell shares. When a buyer places an order to buy shares, they have to specify the price they are willing to pay for those shares. Similarly, when a seller places an order to sell shares, they have to specify the price they are willing to sell those shares for. If the buyer's offer matches the seller's offer, then the trade is executed and the shares are transferred from the seller to the buyer. The price of a stock is determined by supply and demand. When more people want to buy a particular stock, its price goes up, and when more people want to sell a particular stock, its price goes down. How to invest in the stock market? Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. But it's important to remember that it also involves risk. Before you invest, you should do your research and understand the potential risks and rewards. To invest in the stock market, you need to open a brokerage account with a reputable broker. Once you have an account, you can start buying and selling stocks. You can invest in individual stocks or buy shares of a mutual fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF. Conclusion. So that's it for today's video on the stock market. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of how the stock market works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.